Yo guys, hope that you're well. Welcome back to another quick trade recap. Um, so I'm gonna show you guys why the statement of market makers don't come for your stop loss is 100% fake. These guys, flippin', what is his name? Einstein of the market, flippin' whatever his name is, right? This oak is saying market makers don't check for your stop loss. I promise you, they do. Promise you. They know where the stop losses go. I was again in the majority of people with their stop loss. So yeah, I really thought that was like gonna be good with the hourly opening. I expected them to make the lower run like this, and then that's the low. Then we can like trade up or whatever they want to do. But as you guys can see, I'm transparent. I took the same trade on my unfunded. So I was checking this 50-minute fair value gap with a nice sell side just left there, right? That is an indication that we can run it. We had this 1 minute, which took all these lows. So that's a good candidate to look at. That fair value gap. Checked how we traded. If we could trade above it, then we can get above the 50 minutes. If we stayed lower, then I'm gonna expect them to run down to that sell side. So we had Sorry guys. Okay. So we had this run into it. Down. First early gap after we left that, right? Trade into it. I sold at the bottom here because I thought we would run, because I entered on my fund. I entered just there, or just somewhere here, right? As we ran down, because if we were to run up, we had this, down close candle. So what's going through my mind is, if we fall lower than this candle, we're going down. But if we go just in this candle is the deciding factor, this one. So this candle can go up and close above this, I would buy. Literally, that was what I was thinking, because that is what was the current situation at hand. If we can close above this, I would choose this as an order block, and it would continue respecting and go higher. But it failed, and it came down to this, and we traded. I also entered as we traded into this fairly gap at the top of it as we opened, because check where the bodies are closing. And then as we came up again into this body, I entered. And then we touched there. I don't know if that's a rejection block. I'm not 100% certain. Correct me if I'm wrong. But we tapped it there, ran down, came up, and then they tapped me out with the 9 a.m. open. I was on my fund, it actually not tapped out on this. See the spread on paper trading? So I was only tapped out at the very top, right there. And then, boom, I saw speed down. I was like, damn, guys, that is just some crazy work. And for this, I was looking if we could touch it this 50-minute and then drop. We failed, and then this was my target. So yeah, we failed, but we reached my target. It was these lows. So I'm happy. I'm not going to complain. But now it's in a weird situation. Like, I would have liked to be one and done just there. Then I would have been done for the day. But now, like, there's a situation where we can respect this, right? And then go lower now and clear these lows. like I said in my video that I posted, these lows, Friday opening range gap, that is 100% in play with this. So watch out. That could be in play 100%. Or we can see a run back up. But currently, I just don't feel it, eh? We might be just like gyrating in this range. This week's range. I think they made the week's range now. And if they did, we will gyrate in this range. And then 10 p.m. spike above, fair value gap, run down. But we already had this 1 hour fair value gap, right? So this could be the breakaway gap. Check consequent encroachment perfectly. Perfectly. Okay. So this could be the breakaway gap. So we could even see a closure below this week. If we do, then I'm fully bearish, to be honest. I don't know. If we could see a closure below this hourly, then I would be bearish. But for now, I'm just gonna wait and see what they do. Yeah, guys. Quick trade recap. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Check how we also gyrating here. See, you don't want to see them gyrate like this. Like, it shouldn't be just wandering around all these PD arrays. I want to see them run. But yeah, let me take off these. Let's just clear up the chart quickly. Let me show you guys. So from my side as well, 16. Okay, closing price of this is here. So you also see we have a little opening range gap. I don't think we even have an opening range gap. See there. This is also indication that markets might not move or might be very manipulative. In manipulative, it's weird. Okay, when it is like that. So again, watch out. Don't get hurt in today's markets. I only lost $6, I think, at least, with that aggressive stop loss of mine. But again, I think I'll be watching this level. I did not take that so far. I'll make this a grayish one. And this a more darkish one. Okay, and then again, this as my draw with these sell side. Then I'll take this and make it lime green, or very light lime as a target. Then those are the PDRAs you want to watch with the hourly fairly gaps. So yeah, let's see what they want to do. Stay safe again. You can still have this 50-minute on. Check how they maybe use it. I'll have it on like this. So I'll say 18th quadrants. 8th quadrants. Then not extended, and then coordinates I'll put it to right about there. So check where we are respecting currently. Check that the top. Random, right? Random. And if I overlay it with this as well, I'll extend this one. Which level is that? You know, yeah, it's so yeah, it's buying and selling pressure, guys. Yes. Come on, please. Get out of the gutters, guys. Check that precision. Gray zone for you. Yeah, I'll be watching that 50 minutes. Check the perfection it's giving. There. Check the body's closure. Let's see how they use it. Stay safe, guys. Enjoy.